SAT Practice Test 7, Math Section 2, Question 8. What's the level of difficulty here? It's medium. And it says, what's the value of x? So write down x. Couldn't be more straightforward what they're asking, but this problem is really tricky. You got to be real careful, and it takes a good amount of work. It sucks because you got to rewrite this equation. It'll help if you keep your terms kind of spread apart, give them some space, don't bunch them together. But it also sucks because you got to do a lot to the equation to get through it. What's the first thing that you do in math? It's the P in PEMDAS, parentheses. Let's get rid of them. So 1/3 times x, that's x over 3. 1/3 times 6, that's 2. Minus half times x, that's x over 2. Here's a landmine. Negative half times 6, that is negative 3, equals negative 8. Okay, so what sucks now? You got fractions. Got to get rid of them. Best way to do that is to multiply every term in here by something that'll make the fractions go away. What works with 3 and 2? 6. So 6 times x over 3, you can reduce, get 2x. Remember, every term, 6 times 2 is 12, minus 6 times x over 2. So again, reduce. It's going to be 3x minus 6 times 3, 18. And then don't forget this, 6 times negative 8, negative 48. If you can get here, you're pretty much home free. Combine your x's, negative 3 and 2. So you get to negative x. 12 minus 18, what's that? Negative 6. It's going to kind of shortcut this. I'm going to move it across the equal sign. It's going to become positive, so it's negative 48 plus 6 equals negative 42. That's not quite right, so I'm going to divide through. I'm going to get x equals 42. And guys, that's the answer. There's a lot of places that you can mess it up with the negatives and the positives, or forgetting to multiply every term. But ultimately, it's just straightforward. Can you do algebra? You get it right, and you move on.